Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio or commentary language on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels if you're playing for the first time. After completing these levels and choosing your home team as well as setting up your username, you will gain access to the main menu. From this page, if you wish to change the audio commentary language, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, click on the edit button alongside commentary and SFX, and now you will see the various different languages for the commentary that you can download. Just tap on the download button alongside the commentary language that you wish to download for your game, and whichever language you download and choose will be set as your commentary voice. You can also download the stadium atmosphere noise by tapping on the download button at the right side. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language of the commentary audio within FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.